How do you say take care in French? The phrase take care in French is prends soin, prends soin. Or you can add de toi on the end and you get prends soin de toi, prends soin de toi, which literally means take care of yourself. If you're talking to more than one person, or you want to be extra polite, you can say prenez soin, or prenez soin de vous. That's the more polite way of saying take care of yourself. Prends soin de toi et à la semaine prochaine. Prends soin de toi et à la semaine prochaine. That means take care of yourself and see you next week. Il est important de prendre soin de soi. Il est important de prendre soin de soi. It's important to take care of yourself, or literally, to take care of oneself. The word soi means oneself. So, take care in French is prends soin. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. The word soin comes from the Latin word sonium, meaning attention or care. So when you say prends soin, you're saying take care, as in take careful attention of yourself.